1988, the institution said the squeeze on mortgage availability was continuing to dampen the UK housing market, something that was later confirmed by figures from the Council of Mortgage Lenders, which showed
that is up and later.
granted for house purchases
It was touching the ground a minute ago, but it's
the level it was at the same
going
time
back up now.
Michael Miller did the finance news for the day. And the FTSE 100 today closed down 7 points at 55.35. And as far as the pound in your pocket goes, in the currency markets,
See, everybody's looking at it.
What?
Everybody's looking at it.
Making £1 worth $1.90. Against the euro, the pound is down 5 cents of a cent at €1.28, making the euro worth about 78.4 pence.
Yeah, thunder as well.
This Saturday, the live sport continues as Carlisle United take on Crewe Alexandra in League One. Smashes it in, and Bruce Robinson has made it 2-1 to Carlisle United.
That's nuts.
Follow all the action from 2 on BBC Radio Cumbria.
You see it spinning?
Brown's onto it. Brown While on AM and online, you can follow live coverage of Cambridge United against Barrow in the Blue Square Premier. BBC Radio Cumbria, the home of live sport. We've got football action for you on AM and FM tonight. I'll bring you details of what's coming up fairly shortly. We're talking grouse next, though. It's a glorious